In the past 6 years, new native African venture capital firms were founded and made successful exits and continue to raise growth funds. Today we look at a frontier: Mygrowthfund Venture Partners.
We've seen, certainly over the past 5 years, is an exponential rise in capital. Venture in the Southern African region has experienced a CAGR of about 28% over the past 5 years. So that's astronomical rates of growth. I think the reason is because for the first time in a long time, people are understanding the asset class. And so 10 years ago, it wasn't that there wasn't an appetite for it, but rather that there just wasn't an understanding of the asset class. How does it work? How is it priced? How do you manage your risk?
Which was founded in 2014 by the Black Dragon, Vusi Tembekwayo, and won Best Impact Investment Firm for 2020. Mygrowthfund is headquartered in Sandton, South Africa, with offices in Dubai and New York. Mygrowthfund provides business support, expert skills, and access to capital that entrepreneurs and businesses need to sustainably grow. Their first fund stands at 350 million rands, and they just recently completed their first major limited partner due diligence for their next fund to launch in 2023. Mygrowthfund's venture partners' competitive advantage is how proficient they are at working with small but promising high growth potential businesses in upstream industries that require a mix of deep technical expertise, robust sales strategies, and to-the-minute data insights to succeed. The firm does not only care about the bottom line, but they are huge on personal development of the entrepreneur through their unique VT Club 100 mentorship program facilitated by the Black Dragon for qualifying entrepreneurs. The Black Dragon's next milestone is to raise a mezzanine fund.